Your brain already knows more than 5,000 words in Italian, and I'm going to prove it to you. You might not believe me yet, but by the end of this, you'll realize that you already speak a surprising amount of Italian. You just didn't know it. Let's start with something simple. Almost every single word in English that ends with tion becomes zioni in Italian. That's right. It's almost a perfect match. Let's take a look. Information, informazione, tradition, tradizione, nation, nazione, communication, comunicazione, education, educazione, motivation, motivazione. You see how easy that is? You're not even memorizing new words. You're just translating patterns. And it doesn't stop there. Almost every English word that ends in ty turns into ta in Italian, with that little accent at the end. University becomes università. Activity becomes attività. City becomes città. Electricity becomes elettricità. Opportunity becomes opportunità. See the pattern? You're not starting from zero. You already have a foundation built inside your brain. And that's not magic. It's linguistics. English and Italian share a huge number of Latin roots, which means that thousands of words have evolved from the same origins. That's why when you look at Italian, it often feels oddly familiar. It's like recognizing a long-lost cousin. Let's play with a few more examples. The English word music becomes musica. Problem becomes problema. Restaurant is ristorante. Perfect becomes perfetto. And important becomes importante. You can practically feel how these words are connected. They look similar, they sound similar, and they mean the same thing. And here's the best part. Once you recognize these patterns, your brain starts to predict new words. You don't have to memorize them. You can guess them correctly most of the time. For example, if you know that celebration is celebrazione, you can probably guess that organization is organizzazione, or that motivation is motivazione. And you'd be right every single time. That's the beauty of learning Italian when you already speak English. Your English vocabulary is basically a cheat code. It gives you thousands of free words right from day one. So the next time someone says, "Oh, learning a new language is too hard," you can smile and tell them, "Actually, I already know 5,000 Italian words. I just didn't realize it." Learning Italian isn't about starting from scratch. It's about unlocking what you already know, recognizing the patterns, and letting your brain do what it does best. Make connections. Because you don't have to be fluent to begin. You just have to start noticing. So go ahead, say it with me. Informazione, tradizione, attività, università. Congratulations. You're already speaking Italian.